What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are doing good. So this is the luggage. Are you planning on traveling or for business, work, home use for the holidays? So it has wheels, and as you can see, you can easily extend the arm, easily flows like this. It's got 4 wheels. The wheels are already on, so you don't have to deal with that. It's got a handle that you can carry it like this. You can carry it with this handle. If you want to tilt it on the side, no problem. You can carry it on the side just like that. This is really nice, guys. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like up close, my friends. When we take a look at the side here, you can see that it does have a lock and a combination, which is pretty awesome. Of course, inside you're gonna find your other one as well, which we'll get. You guys went for a ride. We'll get to this one and the other one in a moment, but as you can see, you can strap down anything that you want. I like using this for laptops when I carry my laptop around. Full mesh bag here, 2 pocket bags on here as well, and plenty of room inside. What's nice is you can separate. I like this, so if there's anything dirty, like clothing that I've already worn, I can just put under here. I can zip it up and seal it off. You can actually do the same for the other side as well. So it makes it really nice. In the small one, you're gonna have a little tag. You will also have 2 bags. So they give you 2 bags for your accessories. Also, 2 other bags, larger bags, which is really nice. So here's the size comparison. Both have the same features on them. You got locks on both. It also goes over all the lock features on these tags, so keep these tags.